This question is asking us to draw out the market for alcohol, and based on the information in the question and just sort of common knowledge, we know that the consumption of alcohol can lead to motor vehicle accidents and therefore imposes an external cost on other people, which means we're talking about a negative externality. So we need to draw out the negative externality and then also identify deadweight loss. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and draw our standard graph with price and quantity. And what I do is I would draw a supply and demand curve and find the intersection. This would be, the intersection point would be our market level of alcohol. So this would be Q market. And it has a price, call that P market. Then to remember which one's the cost and which one's the benefit curve, what I would do is look at the intersection at the market level, market point, and say that it's a negative externality, which means we're producing too much, we should produce less, and we should produce less because it comes at a higher cost than we've associated with it. So really our new equilibrium point should be somewhere in here. The only way to get to that point is to shift the supply curve. And because I know that external costs are associated with a negative externality, then we must be moving the cost curve. So this would become our marginal social cost, this would be our marginal personal cost, and here would be our marginal social benefit. So the optimal point is right here. So we would have optimal quantity Q0 or QO, which is less than what the market is producing, and it should be produced at a higher price, so the optimal points price is higher than the market. So then when it comes to identifying the deadweight loss, we know that deadweight loss is the difference between what we are currently producing and what the optimal level is. And so the easiest way to remember where to draw this, to me at least, is to draw a line from the original equilibrium point, the market point, and draw a line that separates the marginal social cost from the marginal personal cost. So the difference, or the deadweight loss, is the difference between what we ought to be producing and what we are producing. And so that would mean then, if I draw a line through here, just that begins the shading process for the triangle for deadweight loss. And so this would be this entire area in here would be considered deadweight loss for the negative externality.